I do not have a sound recording studio, but yet I can get pretty good audio. Wanna know why? Hello, my name is Woogun, and let's check how I do it. It's actually really simple. All you need is a microphone, like my shotgun microphone there, which is on my camera right now, and a thick blanket. Oh my god, it's actually heavy than I thought. If you have a script to read, take that and a headlight. No, not headlight, handlight. No, bring your script and handlight as well. Oh my god, did I just say handlight? Alright, bring your script and your flashlight as well. I just said that correct. So, first step is getting on your bed because you want mushy floor. Then I have my script and my flashlight. My microphone is not here, but assume it's here because I don't have another microphone other than the one I'm using right now. Then what you do, as you might be able to guess, is cover yourself with a blanket. Oh crap, my mask is breaking. Cover yourself completely, by the way. As much as possible. And then what you do is put your flashlight on and then read the script while recording. Alright? Sounds good, bro? Alright, yes. That looks a little bit dumb. I did not disagree. It looks a little bit dumb. But it actually makes some difference to the audio you can get. This is the example right here. Please subscribe and press that like button. Please subscribe and press that like button. It actually makes some difference, right? By the way, make sure you don't make any brushing noises or they will get into the audio and you'll get very, very annoyed. That is from my experience. Alright, yes, this trick does have few drawbacks. One, it looks dumb, okay? And two, it gets quite hot inside there. Especially if your blanket is as thick as mine, you will experience fire. Not literal fire, but like, you know. And the third drawback is that you really cannot have multiple people under a blanket, right? So if you're the director, you're going to have to trust your voice actor or actor to read the script the way you want him to read or her to read. But other than those drawbacks, it's actually worth trying it out. It actually makes some difference to voiceover clips, any audio clips, maybe even Foley's, I guess? Even though I have never tried Foley. That is it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. My name is Woogun, and see you next time!